In this video, I'm going to share with you how I set up a corner desk that spans diagonally, literally from one corner all the way to the other, including the bookshelf. And today I'm going to be upgrading my office. Just to give you a quick idea as to what's going on, take a look at this. There's not really much going along with this wall. Simple IKEA desk. And I've been using a fold table for my B-roll. And today, one of my guests is going to be assisting me with the project. His name is John from Johnny 5 Tech. Thank you very much, John. Your help is very much appreciated.
Top of the morning to you.
So this is what we're going to be tackling today, and I'd like to show you the process. So we're going to have this hopefully in time lapse with my DSLR, and we'll be able to gut everything out, throw the countertops back in there, and let's throw some LED light strips in this situation and see what we can come up with. Of a corner desk setup like this one by far outweigh the cons, because if you wanted to go to an actual furniture store and get a legitimate corner desk of this size, it would cost way more money than what you would spend for each individual countertop part, the drawer units, and the bookshelf itself. All right, so here's the corner desk. There's one panel that goes straight down, and then to the right about there, the second panel starts and goes all the way to the bookshelf. And underneath the desk, I have simple 4x4s that are the same height as the IKEA drawers. So right here, you can see underneath the desk, there's basic 4x4s. There's one that right here, one half of the 4x4 is on one side for one panel, and the other half of the 4x4 is on the other side for the other panel. And then there's one all the way down there in the corner. And then the last one is right here at the end. Notice how you don't need 4x4s for the thinner panel that has less width, because the drawers, the IKEA drawers, are actually the same width as the countertop. So the drawer units and the bookshelf do take assembly, but that's the nature of the beast. When you purchase IKEA parts, they come shipped disassembled, so you have to assemble them. But other than that, all you do is slap the countertops on top, get them into the right position, and then boom, you're done. The negative drawbacks are only two from using this corner desk setup over the past year. The first one's going to be cable management. As you can see in this video, the cable management does not look good at all. And the second one being is that the countertops do shift ever so slightly, but you can easily correct it, and we're talking very slightly shifting over the course of a full entire year, so it's really not that big of a deal. The RGB lighting was stuck to the outside perimeter of the countertop and bookshelf, and I was able to use a piece to connect the two RGB light strips in order to go around the corner without having to bend the light strips. But my recommendation is to actually get non-waterproof RGB strips that don't have that gel or plastic coating on top of the light strips themselves, because it makes it much easier to work with. If you got any value or ideas out of this video, go ahead and let me know by dropping a like. Also, if you have any tips or suggestions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below, because I will definitely use them in the next upcoming videos where I set up another room into a studio so I could take some better B-roll shots. And also, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss those upcoming videos. I will leave links to all the products in this video in the description below. I'll see you in the next video.